In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to forward emails to a hosted email address in the conversations inbox in Hubspot. Whether you're looking to streamline communication within your team or ensure that all incoming messages are centralized, this straightforward process will help you achieve just that. So let's dive right in. First things first, head over to the Hubspot homepage by opening your preferred web browser and entering the URL. Once you're on the homepage, you'll want to click on the login button. This is typically located at the top right corner of the page. Enter your credentials to access your Hubspot dashboard. If you aren't yet set up with Hubspot, simply follow their guided process for creating an account. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the Hubspot homepage. Here, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface if you're new to HubSpot. It is designed to be user-friendly, but often exploring for a bit can help make you more comfortable with the layout. Now direct your attention to the top of your dashboard and click on Settings. It's here where most of HubSpot's configuration options are located. With the Settings page open, direct your gaze to the left sidebar. It is here you will see a variety of options that allow you to manage different aspects of your HubSpot account. Scroll down and click on Inbox and Help Desk. This is where we will be handling our email settings to ensure that all incoming communications are properly aligned with your team's preference. Next, click on Inboxes within the Inbox and Help Desk section. You should now see an overview of all available inbox options, an area designed for organizing and managing how emails are handled within HubSpot. Once you're in this section, look for the button that says Connect a Channel. Click on it, as this is the pathway to integrate your current email setup with HubSpot's functionalities. You will now see several integration options. For today's task, go ahead and click on Team Email. This will allow you to create a communal inbox where your team can collectively manage incoming messages. It's particularly useful for teams managing customer service inquiries or sales leads. To proceed, click on Other Mail Account. This option allows you to set up forwarding from an external email address that might not be immediately listed among the common email providers. It's a flexible choice for businesses using unique or less common email servers, ensuring that HubSpot can accommodate your specific setup. There you have it. You've successfully navigated through HubSpot to set up email forwarding to a hosted address within the conversations inbox. This adjustment will aid in streamlining your team's communication process, ensuring that no message goes unnoticed. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our other tutorials for more tips on making the most out of HubSpot's powerful features.